Hi everybody, this is Chris again and welcome to part 11 of Breakthrough Chinese Pronunciation, the course that helps you to perfect and tune up your Mandarin Chinese pronunciation. As always, here's a reminder of the color scheme that I'm using to represent the 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese, as well as the syllables that are unstressed. In this video, we're going to be looking at sounds in pinyin that end in IU. So, for example, DIU. If you were saying this as an English word, you would expect it to be pronounced DU. But actually, it's
Dio.
So it's a little bit like there's an E and then an O. The U sound here is not really the same as a U in English. Okay, so let's try practicing some syllables that have this sound.
Dio.
This is in the first tone. It means to lose.
牛肉.
This word is pronounced in the second tone and the fourth tone. It means beef. Did you get the O sound at the end of this syllable? Try saying it again.
牛肉. 六.
This character is pronounced in the fourth tone, and it's the number 6.
啤酒.
This is pronounced in a second tone, then a third tone. It means beer.
要求.
This means a demand or a request.
休息.
This word is pronounced in the first tone, and the second syllable is unstressed. It means rest. Okay, hopefully you were able to get these sounds sounding roughly what they're supposed to sound like. If you think you need a bit more practice, then you can just go over these videos again and practice over and over until you get it sounding accurate and you get the tones right.
Okay, don't stop watching just yet because I've got something really special for you. The tones are a really important part of Chinese, so I've put together a 5-minute Chinese tones trainer, including an ebook and MP3 audio that will help you practice recognizing the tones in Mandarin, in words and in sentences, and you can get it absolutely free. Just click on the link on the screen right now or in the description below this video to sign up, then confirm your email address and I'll send the trainer out to you. Thanks for checking out this video and see you very soon.